How to review songs you've listened to on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review songs you've listened to on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down again. Here you will find the activity log and then profile information and click here this one, songs you've listened to, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.